Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the DAWASAPAT Projector ceiling mount with its new gimbal design. If you're looking for a versatile, sturdy solution to mount your mini projector at home, in the office, or even a classroom, this mount promises to deliver both flexibility and stability. Out of the box, the package includes just the projector mount itself. The DAWASAPAT mount is designed with a 1/4 inch screw thread, making it compatible with most mini projectors including popular brands like. It can also support other devices such as CCTV cameras, VR cameras, LED lights, and DVRs, giving it real versatility beyond just projectors. The build quality is impressive for a mount in this range. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, the bracket is both lightweight and durable, capable of supporting mini projectors up to 4.4 pounds, or 2 kilograms. The tube itself is adjustable, extending from 11.7 inches to 17.2 inches, which allows you to position your projector at the perfect distance from the ceiling or wall. One of the standout features is the adjustable gimbal. The mount can rotate 360 degrees horizontally and tilt 90 degrees vertically, with a simple knob to lock the angle in place. This level of adjustability ensures that you can achieve the optimal projection angle for any room layout. Whether it's a home theater setup or a classroom environment, the threads on the pivot ball head add friction, keeping your projector securely positioned once adjusted. Installation is straightforward, although it's important to note that this mount is designed for solid ceilings or walls, not for vaulted ceilings or standard drywall. All the necessary hardware and assembly instructions are included, making the process manageable for most DIYers. Just ensure your projector has a 1/4 inch screw hole in the center of the bottom for proper compatibility, as the mount relies on this for secure attachment. In terms of aesthetics, the mount comes in black, offering a sleek and unobtrusive look that blends well with most home or office environments. The extension tube also doubles as a cable management channel, so you can neatly run power or HDMI cables through it, keeping your setup clean and organized. Overall, the DAWASAPAT projector ceiling mount offers a balance of flexibility, durability, and ease of use. Its universal compatibility, sturdy aluminum construction, and fully adjustable gimbal make it an attractive option for anyone wanting to mount their mini projector securely and with precise positioning control. If you're in the market for a reliable, adjustable projector mount that won't break the bank, this could be the solution you're looking for. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product evaluations.